Nature is winner takes all. It's simple. You eat what you kill. The fit survive. And it's going back to that. Globalization, network effects, locality is fading. You are in competition with everyone. It's an all out war right now. So, what's the solution? The only way out is through. You need to get so good at what you are uniquely positioned to offer that you come into a league of your own. Blue ocean strategy, market wide open. But until then, no coasting, no shortcuts, only going all out will save you. So, lock in, do what it takes, win, and take everything.